Can you believe this? So what do you do when your contract grade toilet decides to flood your bathroom and your house? Well, we decided to roll up our sleeves, grab our tools, and turn this into a DIY opportunity. Stick around to see how we took our biggest bathroom nightmare and transformed it into a space we actually love. So my son flushed the toilet. The flapper did not go down. It looked like the water went down. We walked away. Next thing you know, it flooded the house. We are on our way to Floor & Decor to pick out some new flooring. We did call the insurance company and they tore every single piece of that bathroom apart. I mean, there was so much water damage. It came through the hallway. It went into his room. I also did a bedroom makeover of his bedroom. You can check out that video here. We went to Floor & Decor to pick out some new tile flooring for the bathroom.
It is very cold in here, so do not come here without pants.
So we did have to shop for like a new vanity. I wanted to get new fixtures in the bathroom, new faucets. Basically, we had to stay within a certain budget and match the exact pricing that was on our contract when we purchased the home. But it was still fun to like shop for things that you want and be able to make the bathroom your own design, and I had a fun time doing it. We didn't have a lot of options when selecting what light fixtures we can get, vanities, countertops, all that fun stuff when we had our home built. And so here is some inspiration I was looking at from Pinterest and other sources, just in terms of what my vision was for this bathroom. I wanted something modern, beautiful, but also timeless. The plan was to do the floor first and make sure we fixed the trim, the drywall, and then have everything ready to have the walls painted. The plan was to prime the walls, either paint it or maybe put up some tile, and then after that, put up our light fixtures, put in the vanity, figure out the plumbing, make sure everything is fitted properly, and of course, get a new toilet. The crazy thing is that this was an issue in our whole neighborhood. A lot of our neighbors had issues with their toilets and flooding. I just feel like they put cheap toilets in all of our homes, and it comes up a lot in new build homes. I've had friends who've had the same issue, and so if possible, if you can change your toilets and get elongated toilets in all your bathrooms, that is something I highly recommend. I did want to do a marble floor, but we did not go with that process because you have to lay a whole separate type of flooring before you even put the marble down, and we just didn't have the energy for all of that. As you can see, they completely removed the entire vanity and everything in this bathroom. So we do need to do the drywall, of course, the flooring, put the vanity in, the fixtures, take that mirror down, put in 2 mirrors. Thank God my husband knows what he's doing because he did all of this and I just got to direct. So I actually love lime wash paint. I did my office downstairs, and you guys don't laugh at me. This did not turn out how I expected. I was going for a nice foresty green, but the sample that I received was completely different than this color I put on the wall. I mean, if this was a darker space, maybe downstairs, the downstairs bathroom, maybe I would do it down there, but because it's the kids' hallway bathroom upstairs, this was just too dark for them, and they complained the whole time, told me it looks like poop. So yeah, I ended up having to change this. And here is the change. I went with a lighter kind of neutral color. This is also a lime wash paint. So we put the floor down and we did finish painting in here. The next part we need to do is put in the vanity and change the fixtures and get that put in. Now, when you're applying lime wash, you do have to make sure you stir it very well because it is a mineral-based paint. Also, depending on the brand that you do use, it may say to dilute it with water. The first brand I used for the office downstairs, I did add a little bit of water, but for this one, I did not. So I'm just lime washing the area near the shower. And I did do a video on how to apply lime wash paint. You can watch that here, but you basically want to go in crisscross light motions and form kind of like a cloud, and then you just eventually end up connecting those clouds. But don't think about it too much. It's really just something that you just feel. Okay, so the vanity is in. I did get this vanity from Lowe's. The top of the vanity was a little bit different than what I was expecting. It didn't look as marble-ish as what I wanted, but it will do. The light fixtures are from Wayfair, and the faucets we bought from Home Depot, I think. But there are other things I still need to do, like I do want to change the wall plug plates and also the towel rack by the toilet as well. I want to get like a gold rack. I found so many items at Floor & Decor, the mirrors, the fixtures, the vanity, but the vanity I wanted, they didn't have the right size. The lights, I looked everywhere. It was like one was in stock, the other was out of stock or in a completely different state. It was just too much. Even the faucets, I found a really, really nice faucet from Floor & Decor, but they didn't have that in two as well. I was able to get these mirrors from Floor & Decor, and I just love them. They're just so pretty. And here's the finished look. Look at this gorgeous toilet, you guys. We went with American Standard. It's an elongated toilet, and I pray that we don't have this issue again. Like I said, the lights are from Wayfair. The mirrors are from Floor and Decor. We found the vanity at Lowe's. It is a soft closed cabinet vanity. I really like the finish of the wood. It's like a walnut color. I got these bath mats from TJ Maxx. They came in a set of 2, but I really like how everything turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. The plumbing did not align exactly with the vanity, so my husband did have to do some adjustments below and try to get it to line up exactly, but in the end it all worked out and he did an amazing job. I have linked everything in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.